Morning. Attitude of gratitude. Want to get kind of into that one, and it plays off of that mindset shift that I had brought up the other day. And quite frankly, is a fundamental for me on keeping that moving forward mindset. It's easy for my mind to get caught in this quagmire of why me, poor me, pity me. And it's easy to project that poor me, pity me. Words have meaning. And when we speak them, ultimately, we subconsciously kind of start programming ourselves to make that our lead foot, whether we know it or not. And staying in that attitude of gratitude, as difficult as it might seem, even the problems, even when things seem like they're all going wrong, shifting that perspective into that gratitude space again allows us to kind of emotionally disconnect from the fuckery of it all, and say what lessons do I have to learn in this moment. But furthermore, in the truth of gratitude, knowing that there are people out there that are wishing they had problems of whatever degree or magnitude we're currently in. Oh, my car's not running right. Well, you have a car. How am I going to pay for it? Hard work. I can't get to work. Find a way. There's a solution when you get out of your own way. When you emotionally detach from the situation at hand, there's always a choice. That attitude of gratitude. It's a difficult one to hold on to. It took me 3 years after my business closed to sober up and start to put together the pieces that ultimately led me to the conclusion that I have to have gratitude for everything that seemingly went wrong. And I had to take ownership in all of that, and that started in the mirror. And once I stopped saying, well, this could have happened, this should have happened, this person did me wrong, they could have tried harder. That gratitude for those scars, the lessons, started to kind of set me free from the past that I had been dwelling in, and allowed me to realize that every breath is a new opportunity. As hokey as that sounds, I mean, we're just one breath away from our last breath. What are you doing in this breath? Do you have gratitude that you can stop and just take a breath? I don't know. It's a journey. I had to put together processes, not goals, to work on. Systematic steps to remind me that in this incident or in this situation, I need to stop and take a breath and have gratitude that I'm even in that situation. Yeah. Hey, leave a comment down below what you have gratitude for, or what you're struggling with. Or click on the Calendly. Reach out. 15, 20-minute phone call. I'd love to hear from you. And share this, by the way. Have a good day.